my name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make an easy craft. In this video, I'm going to use felt fabric, white and orange, stuffing, thread and needle, paper and pencil. Take your paper, place your hand like this and draw. Okay, and cut like this. This finger, take your white felt, place on fold, place here, pin and cut. Remove pins. Take one of these, put this aside, take this, take your orange felt and cut a small piece to put here and here, like this one. Put here and sew right round like this with a black thread. That, and then draw some eyes and use blue thread to sew like this. orange felt and cut like this, a shape like this. Place here and sew. Small pieces like this, 2 circles like this. Place here and here and sew. Here like this. And then take your orange felt and cut small pieces like this and sew here. 1, 2, 3. Sew like that and do that again this side. Okay, like that, and then take this part, place here and sew right round. Okay, it's sewn right round, and when you get here, leave a small space and insert stuffing. Do not stuff here, these 2 fingers, or even here if you want. You can stuff here if you want, but here do not stuff. Okay, and close up. Here, fold here and sew right here like this. Arigato.